Hi lovelies, it's me, Simply Sherry, helping you make home and entertaining simple. If you like organizing, decluttering, and home entertaining videos, please consider subscribing. That is what I do on my channel. I had posted on Instagram that I clean my kitchen on Wednesdays, and then I pick one area of the kitchen to deep clean that week. Example, the cabinets, the drawers, certain appliances, the pantry. So in a span of 6 to 8 weeks, the whole kitchen is deep cleaned, and then that's a rotating schedule that I do throughout the year. Then I reached out to Dusty Brush to give me their product to show you guys, and I'm going to show you how I deep clean those areas and then how this tool makes it so much easier to get that done. I usually deep clean my kitchen at night after dinner, after the dishes have been put into the dishwasher like that and everyone is winding down. I'm gonna put a playlist of my kitchen organization in the iCards above if you're interested in that. So this is what my silverware drawer looks like. And then next to it are utensils that I use for serving, like for pasta and salads and rice. And then here to the right of the stove, I have things that I use for prepping, like the pizza cutter, apple cutter, lemon juicer, garlic press. And then to the right are the knives that I use. Over here is my coffee station. So I have here my coffee drawer. And then this is a new drawer. I used to have the condiments here, but I changed that out and I have some more prepping tools there. And then the last drawer I'm gonna be cleaning for you guys today is the junk drawer. These 3 drawers I include for under the sink cleaning, so I'm going to leave that for now. So I want to show you how I use the Dusty Brush. This is the box that it comes in. It's perfect for the Dyson, but it also attaches to your vacuum that has a hose, so you just have to make sure that it's compatible. Just read the instructions there. This is the adapter, and here is the Dusty Brush, and these are like little tubes. You see that? Pretty cool. And the texture is like those plastic blinds, and they move, right? So I mean they're flexible to a certain degree, and you see this angled brush. So it's meant to do that so you can angle it wherever you're going, okay? So you can use it for blinds, you can use it for your toolbox, you can use it in small spaces, places where you'll find crumbs. You can even use it on plants, and I've even seen it used on pets. And I wanted to show you with this taken apart because you can do this in order to wash it with warm soapy water. So I like to do that, just this part, and this part I just wipe with a clean cloth. So I put the Dyson back together, and then the Dusty Brush comes with this adapter, and you can see what it looks like in there like that. And then in there, take both ends, push it in, and twist it until you'll hear that click. There, can you hear that click? And this top part aligns with this. You just let that click in. So did you hear that? And for the Dyson, if you have one, you just click that and then it pulls out, and you click it in again. So it's good to go. That's what it looks like with the Dusty Brush on. So you see there's breadcrumbs there already. For demonstration, I'm going to show you without moving these utensils how you can get into those nooks and crannies. Okay, there, see? All gone. In the junk drawer, we keep our nail clippers. Sorry if that's gross, but you can see stuff there, and I'm going to clean that up. See how easy? All gone. I also want to show you how it works with like coins. And I happen to have some sand just for demo purposes because the drawers here aren't super dirty right now. Okay, do you see me putting the sand there? Okay. There you go. They're not going to go through these holes. Look how small those holes are. Alright, so since the drawer doesn't have any crumbs, I went ahead and put the sand just for demo purposes. This is also great for the windowsill. Beautiful day today. And you can see some cobwebs there, some bugs. Sorry, gross. Alright, so that is vacuumed up. I just have to clean it with warm soapy water. This is also good for blinds, especially on top there where you can't reach. And I do like to dust the leaves on my plants. This is great for those nooks and crannies in the playroom, in the kids' room, in the bookshelves. You can also use this in upholstered chairs and couches. Especially when there's tufting. Alright, so that's the dusty brush. I've cleaned out all the drawers. You can see it's pretty straightforward. But I wanted to show you what else this tool can be used for, and I hope that was helpful. I'll put a link in the description box if you're interested in the product. And make sure that you check your vacuum hose that the adapter works. And it definitely works for a Dyson. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.